Hi guys, it's Miss Carosa. I'm going to show you how to create a folder in Google Drive. So what you're going to do is you are going to start on the Google startup page, or you can navigate right to Drive. It doesn't matter. If you see on the right hand side, there are 9 dots. Click over. This is your Google Drive. You can also install this on your app. It's a little one that looks like a recycling. Okay, it's really easily accessible for your phone. I like it there. But first, on the computer, all you have to do is click New, click Folder, and for you guys, what I would like you to do for this folder is make sure that your name is on your folder, and then the subject. And then we're going to call this maybe science or math, English, whatever. We're going to do math, and then you're going to put the date, 2020. That way I know what year it is, and it actually helps you. And you're going to hit create. Now I've got my Chris Carosa Math 2020, and it's highlighted in blue, and you're going to click that little person, and then you're going to type in whoever you want to share it to. For me, that's this address, okay? And then you're going to hit got it. I have to X out of that first. I can't share to myself, so that's why it's not working. But you're going to click done, and that's how that's going to work. Okay? If you happen to be using your phone, you have an issue with your Wi-Fi, no problem. Download, obviously, the Drive app. I'm going to click into it. Okay? There's that little plus sign down here. Click plus. Create new folder. I will title my folder, create, and the untitled folder. I'm going to click share. Okay, you're going to put the email in there. So whichever one is easier for you. I prefer the laptop version, but again, you can totally do this on the fly. If there's an emergency situation, no problem. You can use almost all the Google Suite apps on your phone, and they're actually pretty good. So I will see you guys later.